Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So welcome back mga friendships. Pasensya na if my hair is all over the place kasi I have the electric fan on. Ang init talaga, hindi talaga kaya ng powers natin. I was trying na hindi talaga gumamit ng electric fan. It's still morning, mga 8 AM pa ngayon, but hindi. Mainit na yung 8 AM guys. So yun nga, today I will be doing a review on a mascara. Finally, magta-try na naman ako ng panibagong mascara. Mag-retire na yung lumang mascara ko kasi hindi ko na siya hindi ko alam kung saan siya bibilhin kasi dati yung heroin make pala yung ibig kong sabihin guys, kasi yun talaga yung full-time favorite ko na mascara, tsaka yung Daisoholic. And since wala na yung Metro Ayala kasi dun ko lang talaga sila nakikita if nandito ako sa Pilipinas, and nahihiya naman akong mag-ask ng favor sa mga friends ko doon sa Japan na magpabili ako ng ganun tapos magpadala ako dito. So yun, so that pushes me na mag-try ng bagong mascara dito, available locally sa Philippines. Ayan, although okay lang naman, na try ko na yung Maybelline na Hyper Curl. Okay lang naman din yun, but hindi talaga siya kasing okay nung anong tawag niyan? Heroin Kiss Me na favorite ko na mascara. So today, I am so excited to try mascara because hindi nyo pa alam guys, I am such an mascara addict. Yan, that mascara really completes the look. Parehas lang din ng eyebrows. So for me, my essentials are eyebrows, mascara, and yung blush. Kasi okay lang naman sa akin yung walang lipstick. Tapos na din, yung powder pala, yun lang dun dapat talaga. And then, sold na ako dun. Masaya na ako doon. So yun nga, I am excited to try to test this one from Essence. Ito pala yung i-review natin or i-test out natin guys, the mascara from Essence. It's their Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. This is volume pala kasi yung mascara na gusto ko is sana lengthening kasi I don't care much with the volume kasi I don't like the effect. Gusto ko yung lengthening kasi hindi nabibigatan yung eyelashes ko. I'm gonna show you later yung itsura ng eyelashes ko guys. So ito is waterproof, smudge proof sabi dito, and it also so hopefully mag-work ito sa akin. Ayan, this one from Essence. So before we get started on this testing, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe na kayo guys sa aking channel if hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, and also make sure that you hit the notification bell so that you will be not missing out any videos that I will be posting. So if nagawa niyo na yan lahat, then let's move on to the review. So eto pala yung itsura ng Essence guys. Isa to sa mga binili ko nung nag-haul ako ng SM. Tapos ayan, this is the price is 249 pesos. Volume boosting brush, meron din siyang volume boosting brush, and this has 12 ml or 0.04 fluid ounce na content. So I'm gonna excited to try this one. So ayan, buti na lang nakaseal siya kasi yung isa na kinuha kong binigay ni ate girl nito is nakabukas na, buksan na siya. Tapos sabi ko sa kanya, do you have something na yung hindi pa bukas kasi 'di ba guys, naman talaga pag nabuksan na kasi yung mascara, na siya, nalalagyan na siya ng air tapos nagde-dry na. So I really wanted something that brand new talaga, yung hindi nabubuksan. I don't know here dito sa atin bakit nila binubuksan yung mascara. Dapat naka-seal yun kasi sensitive si mascara. FYI. So friends, I'm just going to bring you closer so that you will be able to see yung kondisyon or sitwasyon ng aking eyelashes. Ready na ba kayo? So ayan. Okay na sana ito, no? Baka okay na to na medyo dark. Ayan. So, ayan. So, ito yung condition ng aking eyelashes, guys. I don't know if you can see, pero It is just so sad. Tignan nyo naman. May nakikita ba kayong eyelashes dyan? Diba? I don't know if you could still see my eyelashes. Ayan. I-zoom pa natin kasi yung mic. Ayan. I don't know if you could see, but do I have any eyelashes? Oh my gosh. Masyadong ano. Kasi yung mic, hindi nyo na ako maririnig. Ayan. Ayan. Kitang-kita na ba si eyelashes? Diba? It is so sad. Ano, as I get older, tapos, nagka-ano din ako, may, condition din ako ngayon na, hindi ko pa masisay kasi it's something private, but, ayun, so ever since I had that one, and with age also, konti na lang talaga yung eyelashes ko, guys. Although, hindi naman talaga ako karamihan ng eyelashes, but, mas malala talaga ngayon. Konti na lang talaga sila. I don't know if you can see, ayan. Ayan. Wala tayong eyelashes. So, matitest natin ngayon kung mag-volume or at least man lang yung makikita yung lashes ko. Zoom out na natin. So, what I've been looking for lang talaga, guys, sa isang mascara is at least man lang yung magstay yung curl ko kasi I have a very hard to curl lashes. Tapos, naka-straight down pa sila. So, yun lang naman talaga yung hinahanap ko, at least man lang. Hindi ko na need yung volume tsaka length. Although, if nakaka-volume siya at nakaka-length siya, plus na din yun. But, masaya na ako pag at least naka-stay curl up lang yung lashes ko. Yun lang naman talaga yung hinahanap ko. But, hopefully, mabuvolumize niya yung lashes ko, and at the same time, masustay niya yung curl. Kasi, yun yung mga hinahanap ko sa waterproof mascara pala, na it would stay curl. Kasi, hindi ako gumagamit ng mga regular mascara. Kasi, yun nga, nagdudrup or nag-point down na agad yung eyelashes ko pag yun yung ginagamit ko. So, hopefully, it will give me that kind of result. Yun lang man talaga, isa lang, please. So, I'm going to open the mascara na, guys, so that we could see yung brush niya. Yung brush niya pala is volume boosting brush. So, I'm kinda excited how this looks like. Oh, ganito pala yung brush niya. Ayan, medyo malaki yung brush niya. So, medyo malaki siya for my liking kasi yung heroin make ko, hindi siya ganito kaano. So, hopefully mag-work siya. Tapos, let's try smelling this one. Yeah, typical na na mascara na smell. Tapos, medyo wet yung niya. Wet yung consistency ng mascara. So, ayan mga friends, I already curled my lashes using my favorite eyelash curler from Make. This is the best, guys. If you could get your hands on this one, better get this one. So, ayan, I already curled my lashes and apply na natin. Oh, I'm so excited. Medyo mahirap siya i-apply kasi malaki nga yung I'm not used to it. Pero wet yung formula. So far, okay naman. Super wet ng formula niya. Oh my God, I'm so messy. Oh gosh. Nasi-spread na siya dito sa aking lower lashes. Pero so far, it really is very volumizing. Ayan, pero messy lang kasi, I don't know, messy ako maglagay. So, eto yung how it looks like after one coat. Tapos, gawin naman natin sa kabila. By the way, I did not dip it again sa kasi parang mas marami pa yung nasa niya. So, one, guys. So, I did not dip it again. Ayan. Ang laki lang talaga ng ng wand niya kaya, or brush niya, kaya nahihirapan ako kasi I'm not used to. Pero so far, okay naman siya. Oh my God, I'm making a lot of mess already. Oh, volumizing naman siya. Ayan. So, I don't know if you can see, pero ayan yung eyelashes ko. I think meron naman. Okay naman siya so far, pero nagkalat lang talaga ako guys dito. Kasi masyado, I'm not used to the big brush, kaya medyo naging messy tuloy siya. So, ayan yung aking, lashes with one coat. So far, I'm impressed. Okay naman siya for one coat. If I'm going to compare this with the Maybelline, okay naman siya. Mas better siya sa one coat lang sa Maybelline. So, I don't know. Let's try a very, very tiny second coat. Kasi I'm not a second coater. Always lang naman talaga. One coat lang naman talaga yung nilalagay ko. Kasi I don't want too much. Ayan, oh my god, this is getting so messy. So yan na, dapat mag-stop na ako. So I'm not going to apply dito sa lower lashes ko kasi hindi ko alam pag magtra-transfer to. So ayan, so this is how my lashes, although medyo messy kasi nagkalat talaga ko guys, but you be the judge kung ano. So far naman from the mirror, I feel like volumizing naman talaga siya. Ayan, so I'm happy with how I applied it, but let's just see kung mag-fall down yung aking lashes kasi yun talaga yung concern ko is yung bababa yung curl ko, hindi na mag-curl yung lashes ko. So far, ayan, I really like it. So far, medyo messy lang yung pagkalagay ko. So let's just see. So this is how my lashes looks like. Ayan, I don't know if kung nakikita niyo na siya. Ayan, tapos ayan. So now we are going to test this mascara the entire day. Medyo maaga pa ngayon. It is currently like, I don't know, kung magpo-focus ba, nakikita niyo, 8 in the morning. Yeah, 8 in the morning. I'm going to test this until the night time para makita ko talaga. And I'm so excited if kung maging okay. Kasi so far, nung pagkalagay ko niya, medyo okay naman siya para sa akin. Although it is thick, not thick, medyo liquidy yung consistency niya. Pero okay naman siya i-apply. Hindi naman siya yung parehas ng ibang mascara yung na-try ko sa 138 or yung sa mga Fashion 21 ganyan na after I curl my lashes tapos nilagay ko and immediately nagda-down. Pero so far eto hindi naman. So I have really high hopes sa sa mascara nito from Catrice. So hopefully mag-work siya. So ayan, I will be seeing you later at the end of the night para sa final check-in natin ng mascara nito. Essence na Get Big Lashes. Why am I saying Catrice Essence na Get Big Lashes. So I'm gonna see you later tonight. Hello friends! So finally, it's the end of the night. Whew, grabe. It is so hot today. And yeah, finally, matatapos na itong review na to kasi I am so eager to remove my makeup, guys. Kasi, let's do a time check. Wait lang. I need to remove this. Ayan. So, let's do a time check na, guys. Ayan. So, currently, it is already 10 o'clock in the evening na. Ayan, madilim na. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-update sa inyo kasi yun nga, I also did another video tapos inuna ko pa yun na i-update. So, yun din, late na din kami nakauwi ng bahay. So, it is now time to update you on the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost. So, I look rough already. So, I'm just gonna zoom you quickly para makita nyo yung aking eyelashes. So, here is my lashes. Excuse dye face, guys. Lagyan natin ng kasi ang dilim. Ayan. So, here's, I look rough. Grabe yung under eye ko. I don't know if you can see, pero I really look rough. So tired. Usually, I'm at bed pag wala akong client, mga 10 o'clock. Ayan. So, it's already 10. Supposed to be my bedtime. Hindi pa ako nakaligo. Yun nga, ang dami ko ng satsat. So, bilisan na natin, guys. So, this is how my lashes looks like now. After like 8 o'clock yun, di ba, kanina. So, it's been like 13 hours, 14 hours na. Ang tagal. Yun nga, ang tagal-tagalan tayo. So, I don't know if you can tell, but my lashes, completely turned down. Hindi na, nawala na yung curl ng aking lashes. So, so ayan. So, I think, I'm gonna see. So, nandyan pa din siya, but I don't know if you could notice, but, sabi diba, smudge proof, tapos waterproof, but, dito sa left eye ko, wala naman siyang, smudging na nangyayari, pero dito sa right eye ko, meron. Tapos, hindi naman ako naluha kanina. Kasi I have a very teary eye pala. That's why I wanted a waterproof mascara. Kasi mabilis I have a very sensitive eyes. Ayun, nag-tear up siya agad. So, ayan, medyo nag-smudge or nag-transfer siya dito sa aking lower portion of my eyes. Hindi ito nangyayari sa maybe because of my application. Ayan, hindi ito nangyayari sa Maybelline Hyper Curl so far. Tapos yung Heroin Make, tsaka yung Dolly Wings. So, I don't know. Maybe. Pero medyo wet pa rin siya until now. Kasi iba yung niya, hindi nag-dry yung aking... Tapos nag-transfer din pala dito sa taas. Ayan. Merong bagong transfer. Kasi nilinis ko na to kanina yung pag-apply ko. Tapos medyo wet feeling yung wet feeling pa rin konti yung yung mascara. So, ayan, close up para makita nyo. So, let's discuss now what I feel about this mascara. So, friends, I'm a little disappointed. I have high hopes pa naman kasi nung umaga, medyo okay naman siya in-apply, but di ba sabi ko kaninang umaga that what I've been looking for a waterproof mascara is at least ma-maintain man lang niya yung aking curly lashes without using my heated eyelash curler. Kasi sa mga ibang, if a certain mascara doesn't make my lashes stay curl, I use my heated eyelash curler. But sometimes I don't have the time to use my heated eyelash curler, especially pag nagmamadali ako, if I have clients and yung maaga na call time. Ayan, I always use my yung regular na eyelash curler, and then I blow it up sa hair dryer para uminit siya konti, tapos yun yung ginagamit ko na pang curl. So far naman nagbo-volumize naman siya. If I going to look at the mirror, nagbo-volumize naman siya sa aking lashes, but I'm a little worried kasi nag-transfer nga dito sa aking lower eyes portion. Ayan. And also, masyadong, not masyado, the mascara is still, a little wet to the touch up until now. Yung hindi talaga parehas nung, Maybelline na Hyper Curl o yung ibang mascara. I have a mixed emotion kasi nga, medyo okay din naman siya as volumizing. Ayan. So, what will be my verdict on this mascara from Essence? So, I think I'm just going to continue using this one, guys, kasi medyo okay naman siya. Maybe I'm going to work on sa curl part. Maybe I'll just use my heated eyelash curler kasi yun naman talaga yung ginagawa ko if my lashes will not stay curl up. And towards volumizing, kasi ito is a volume boost na mascara. So far, effective naman siya in volumizing my lashes kasi nakita nyo naman, sa before ko, diba, hindi nyo nakikita pala yung eyelashes ko. So, definitely, this is a very good volumizing mascara. And when it comes to waterproof tsaka smudge proof, maybe it's because of my application. I don't know. I'm going to update you on another video if nagsusmudge talaga or waterproof pa siya kasi I have a little smudging talaga dito sa isang eye lang naman. And yeah, baka sa application ko kanina, I don't know. I'm not so sure, pero for sure I'm going to update you in a different, application. And maybe also it's just that malaki kasi yung niya, yung brush niya, hindi ako sanay sa ganito kalaki na na brush, guys. Kaya I need to practice using this kind of or this type of brush kasi usually my mascaras maliliit yung nila, yung brush. So maybe that's also the reason kaya messy yung pagka-apply ko kanina, and maybe that's why nag-smudge dito. Yeah. So I really wanted to give this mascara a chance kasi parang okay din naman siya, and it's only 249 pesos. Hindi naman siya masyadong kamahalan if kapareha siya ng price ni L'Oreal. Yan, 500. Definitely mag-expect ako ng mas malaki. Ayan. So, it's only 249. So, medyo okay naman din. Definitely, merong konting lengthening na nangyayari. So, definitely, I will be trying more this mascara kasi nagmamadali ako kanina and I really wanted to test out its full potential, guys, kasi I feel like okay na naman tong mascara na to. And if you're going to ask me if I recommend this, yes, definitely you better get this one kasi okay lang naman ta siya. If you are looking for a volumizing mascara, definitely eto kasi nagvo-volumize talaga na siya ng lashes. Even though hindi niya kinurl yung aking or kinip yung or hinold niya yung curl ng aking eyelashes, but yun nga, pwede yun remedyohan, so I'm not mad at it. So yeah, definitely try this one from Essence. So I think that's it for today's video. If you are looking for a new volumizing mascara, definitely you need to check this one. You have to check this one kasi $249, tapos it's a big mascara, guys. So I think that's it for today's video, friends. I hope this was helpful to all of you. Sana nakatulong sa inyo ito, guys. And yeah, thank you so much for always tuning in at sana nag-enjoy kayo. And yeah, always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. Thank you so much for always supporting, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye!